Hello friends, are you worried about your retirement? Saving money for old age but not sure if it's growing fast enough. So if you are a government employee or a private sector employee, there's a big news. The national pension system has some massive changes that could totally change how you retire. I indeed was never a big fan of NPS before, but believe me, the recent updates look superb and positive. Let me break down into a simple language for you. First big change, no more equity cap. 100% stocks allowed. Earlier in NPS, you could only put up to 75% of your money in stocks or equity, which grow faster. But now, fund managers can offer 100% equity portfolios. That means your money can grow much quicker, like investing in the stock markets fully. Imagine your savings doubling faster for that dream house or kid's wedding. Even better, this 100% equity option can include up to 5% in gold, silver, or other alternatives. So it's not just stocks, you get a bit of safety from gold. This mixes growth with some protection against market ups and downs. Next, the biggest game changer, early exit. Before, as in according to the old rules, your money was locked till the age of 60. But now you can exit after just 15 years. For example, if you start at the age of 30 and you want to exit at 45, old rules said only 20% as a lump sum cash and 80% had to go into the annuity, like a pension plan. But new rules flip it, as in the other side now reverse, 80% lump sum cash in your hand and only 20% in annuity. Next, more flexibility. Now after 3 years, you can do partial withdrawals for needs like medical or marriage. More so over, you can now even take a loan against your NPS savings, which was not possible before. No more feeling stuck now. And don't forget, NPS still has the tax advantage on top of this. Save taxes while saving for retirement. NPS is very flexible. The sooner you start, the faster you extract the riches of the compound interest magic. Hope you all like this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ravneet's Knowledge Bites, where I intend to empower you with the powerful insights. Thank you.